to draw this topology. Okay, so first we have a motion sensor. This is the LED. This is another LED. This LED for the camera. So if the camera will be on, it will display the message camera on. If it is off, it will display this message camera off message. Okay, and this is the LED. LED means if this LED, if the LED is on, it will display on the, so it will display on this screen, this LCD screen, the LED is on. So if the push button, if the push button will press, the LED should on, and it will also display the message on the screen. So today we will see how we can write a Python program. So we are going to design this topology. Okay, first we need motion sensor, MOTION, motion sensor. Okay, please all of you take this motion sensor. So here we can write motion sensor. Okay, this is a motion sensor we are taking. Then the second, we need to take the webcam. So webcam, take the webcam. Okay, and then take the LCD. Okay, so this is the LCD. So all of you take these three things, and then the SBC. Okay, SBC, where you will write the program. So this is the SBC. So these things you need to take. Okay, first we will write a very simple program. If the motion is detected, the camera should be on. This is the webcam. We can say this is a webcam. Okay, so this is our webcam. This is the LCD. Okay, so this is our LCD. Now what we will do, so we will connect the motion sensor with port number 3. Let me connect first. Please all of you follow the same steps. 1 minute. So take this IoT cable. This is D0, and here I'm going to connect with D3. Okay, so you can connect with any port, it's up to you, but in this scenario, based on the given instructions, so here the camera I'm going to connect with D4. Okay, so I'm going to connect with D4 here. See, this is D4, and LCD I'm going to connect with the D5. Okay, so D5. So here D5. Okay, so now we are going to connect. So now if we are saying here, if the motion is detected, turn on the camera and also display the message here on this screen. Okay, so now we need to go and write a program. So we need to write a program here. So first we will go to the SBC. Okay, just click it on the SBC, go to the programming, main Python. Okay, so this one, the main function, define main. So pin mode, delay, all these things I'm going to delete. And here let me copy this one, start from here. So we have the program, so we are going to write a program. Just 1 minute. See here, see here, GPIO pin. This is the, as we already explained, GPIO, general purpose input output pin. This library we need to import. Time library we need to import for the delay purpose. Okay, we need to add a delay, so we need to add this one. So while true, so we are adding this one while true. So motion should be, so it will read from pin number 3, and the value will be stored in the motion, and it will be printed here. If you want to see this one, run the program, you can see here. So there is an error. If you will see here, so here you just write a semicolon. Okay, just 1 minute, run a semicolon. Now you can run this one. Now line number 6, is 5. So see here, comma is missing. So sometimes see here, the value 0, you can see here. So value 0 is printed. So we need to check if the motion is detected. So what value it will print. Now check.
Please like and subscribe to Heather Tech.
Here, see here, continuously printing this one. Now you can see, press Alt key and bring your mouse cursor here. So if you will bring your mouse cursor, so it will print. It will it will display the value. Okay, so the value will be 1023, it will display. So we need to add the delay, then you will see the value here. Okay, now let me stop and write a full program, clear the output, and 1 minute. Now rest of the program let me write here. So we are saying if 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 okay, is it okay so I can write it here, or let me finish this one program here. Okay, 5, because if you there is some error. If the motion, semicolon, if, now we are writing a condition here. If the motion is detected, if we are saying if motion is detected, so motion mean 1023. Okay, the value is 1023. If the motion is detected, okay, this is the motion mean. If the motion is detected, then what it need to do, it need to write a custom write function. Okay, write custom write function. Okay, here custom write. So because this one, the 4 should be high, so this digital port, so now we are sending a signal on this digital port number 4, so camera should be on. So the camera is connected with port number 4, and we are telling, so make it high. High mean on. Okay, so make it on. Custom dot write port number 4, make it right. If the motion is detected, motion is detected mean the motion value 1023. Okay, if it is detected, so because your camera is connected with digital port number 4, make the camera high. Okay, and semicolon, enter, and then you can write custom write, custom, custom write. This is a function we are telling. So you need it also need to display the message on the screen LCD screen. Okay, so here the LCD screen, so LCD is connected with digital port number 5, so digital port number 5, so write this message. Okay, what message you need to write this message, camera on. So this is the message we are going to display, camera on. Okay, so this is the message we want to display. See, if the motion is detected, mean if the motion value is 1023, mean detected. So custom write 4 mean the camera should be high. High mean on. And custom write 5, so this is, it is connected with port number 5, so camera, so display this message on this LCD screen, camera on. Okay, else, so here we need to write a else program. Okay, else condition also. In the else, so here just we need to, just 1 minute, copy paste and custom write 4, so the 4, make it high or low. Okay, so make it low, and camera message, this one display on the screen, so camera off. So that's all. So this is what you needed. Just 1 minute, semicolon, and here don't forget to add the semicolon. Okay, now, and okay, first let me copy this one and we will paste it here.
Please like and subscribe to Heather Tech.
So here, the main program, after the main we need to paste it here. Okay, okay, while true, motion, digital write, if print motion, so print if here semicolon also, comma, okay, this one. Okay, see here, motion digital port number 3, motion value 1023, custom write 4, high, custom write this, else this, and delay 500 second. Okay, now we will see how this program will work, and then later on we can write, we will expand our program. Okay, now see here, now run the program. So there is an error in port line number 19. Just 1 minute. So let me add here. Now see, let me run the program. Now see here, it is getting the value continuously. It will monitor the value. Just press the alt key. All of you, please press the alt key, bring to your motion sensor. So after some time you will get some value here. Okay, so the value it will display here after some time. See here, the camera, you can see it is on, and the LCD camera, it will display here the camera. Just let me, so camera on. So press alt key and see the camera is on. The camera is on. See, the camera is on. The message is going to be displayed here. You will see camera on. Okay, and you can see the camera again off. So by this is a simple program. Now we need to expand. So we need to expand. So how we can expand? See here, the value also change. So how we can expand our program? So now we need to add the push button, and we need to add based on this topology. If you will see now, I think we don't have it. So we need to add a push button. Okay, so here push push button. Okay, so this is a push button. Add the push button. If the button will be pressed, push button. Okay, so this is our push button, and if the button push, so LCD, so 1 minute. So we are going to take the LCD, so LED, sorry, LED. So we'll take one LED, and one more LCD we can take. Okay, so this LCD we can take. Okay, now we are going to write a simple program. Now you need to tell me, so what can be the input port and what can be the output port? Just you need to tell me. Okay, so here, so we need to connect this one, the push button. So the push button we can connect with, take the cable. Okay, take this cable and connect with this digital port number 2. We can take it. Okay, digital port number 2 push button. So we will see this digital port number 2. Okay, and LCD LED we can take with digital port number 1. This is LED. Okay, this is our LED. LED will glow. LED. Okay, and here, so this is the LCD for LED. Okay, this is the LCD for LED. LED, it will display the message for this LED. Okay, now so this LED we can connect with digital port D0. Okay, so let me connect with D0 and D0, and so now we need to write a program. Okay, so can you tell me, so what is the digital port number? So what is the digital port number here for push button? Okay, suppose the push button we can write, sorry, pin mode. Okay, so what is the a push button? Okay, the push button is connected with port number 2. Okay, is it an input or output? Is it an input or output? Can you tell me? Is it an input pin or output pin? Yes, tell me please. Is it an input or output pin?
Can send message for SBC to
Yeah,
LED open.
yeah. With regard to the SPC, so this D2 is your input with regard to the SPC. This is the D2. D2 is your input. Okay, so you need to write input. Okay, so this is your input because your SBC is taking the input from the push button. Button press, give signal. Okay, from D2, and now what it will do? We need to write a program. If the button will press, so the LED should on, and it will also display the message here, LED on. LED on message should display here on this LCD screen. Okay, now see, we are expanding our program. So pin number 2, so this push button, this is pin number 2. Okay, this is a pin mode. Sorry, let me write it properly. So this is 2, this is our input. Now again the same question I will ask, pin mode. Okay, pin mode. So pin mode, this LED is connected with D1. Yes, so is it an input or output? Is it an input or output? Yes, please. Is it an input or output pin? D1 is an input or output? Yes. Yes. Is it an input or output? Please tell me. Noor, Malik.
Output, Mr.
Yes, it is an output. Good, good, good. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Output. Okay, so this is the output pin. Okay, so this is the output pin. So we'll write pin mode 1. It is the output. Okay, and pin, sorry, here the mode, it should be mode. Okay, so pin mode. So pin mode. Now here, so this is D0. Yeah, so this is 0. So pin number 0, we are saying pin number 0. So this pin number 0, is it a output or input? This LCD, it is connected with D0 now. Is it a output or input? Tell me please. Now mashallah, you understood. So what is the input and output? Now concept is clear. Now you can easily complete the mini project. Mini project mean the assignment. Okay, so now we will expand our program now. Okay, we are going to expand our program. So these are our input and output. So we will write the same program, but here now again, if else, the button. So the button, simple, first you need to write the button. Okay, so if the button value motion digital write, okay, so we will write here, 1 minute, just 1 minute, I will write Control Z, just 1 minute. Let me write it here and you will see button. Okay, here we can write button. Okay, but button. So if the button is equal to digital write, okay, so button is connected with port number 2. You can see it is connected with port number 2. So it will, this digital write function will read the value of this button from port number 2 and save this value in this variable button, but. Okay, button. So we just, I'm simply writing but. Okay, so what it is doing, so this digital write function, this is a function, it will read the value from the port number 2. So it will read the value from the port number 2 and save it in this variable but. Okay, in this variable but. Okay, now this variable but we will print and we will see what is the value of our or if you want to print, you can print, otherwise it is almost the same, 1023. Okay, we know, because you can print and you will get the value by yourself. You will see what is the value for this one and value for the this push button. Okay, now here I will write the same if else condition and the else. Okay, if button. Now here, see, just simply I'm going to copy, or no need to copy, just simply I'm going to expand. Okay, now here, if you will see, now I'm going to expand. Okay, here, so if we are saying if button is equal to 1023, mean high, 1023, it's the value, I will show you the value as well. 1023 is the value. Okay, you can print and you can get, you know how to get this value. Okay, semicolon. Okay, if the value is 1023, then what you need to do, what it need to do, it will print a digital write. Okay, so digital write. So digital write, digital write. Okay, so because this is your digital write D1. Okay, so D1, it is connected with port number 1, make it high. Okay, HIGH, high. Okay, and custom dot write, custom write, it is connected with D0. Okay, this one, this LED is connected with this LED is connected, sorry, this LCD is connected with digital port 0. So the 0, so what message need to display here? LED on. Okay, LED on. Okay, so here you can write LED on message you can display. Okay, so this is the message you can display. Okay, this message you can display, and you can add the delay here. Delay. Okay, delay around 500 millisecond you can add. Okay, or 1000 millisecond you can add, no issue. 1000 mean 1 second delay, 1000 delay, 1000 millisecond delay you can add. Okay, and so this is you need to copy. Okay, so now I'm going to copy the full program. You can see we have the input pin, output pin, and we write the program. We are going to expand. Okay,
Please like and subscribe to Heather Tech.
see here, pin mode, pin mode, pin mode. Okay, this is the main function. Just give the spaces. It is a main function. Okay, while true. Okay, so while true, but here it should be under the while loop. Okay, and custom write else also. Just 1 minute here. You can increase the font size. Okay, so this indentation is very important. Okay, if you will not give the proper indentation, it will again give you the error message. Okay, so this is very important. And delay 1000. Okay, so if button is equal to button is equal 10223, this is high. Okay, okay, now we need to also off the LED. Okay, so we need to also off the LED. Just take this one, copy, and else function we need to also add else. Okay, else we need to write here. Okay, else, else, and here, so digital write, so one, pin number 1 should be low, 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 and LED off message. Okay, LED O double F off message. So delay is this one, and yes, I think there is no error. All of you, it's clear? Yes, understood? Did you write the same thing as in your SVC? Yes, please tell me. Did you done? Have you done? Yes, please. Have you done it? Did you complete? Yes, tell me, please.
Not all, Mister, not all.
No, you need to complete all. No? So, okay. So see here, now we will press the push button and it should turn on the LED. Okay, it should turn on the LED. So now you can see it is high, and this is the else program. Now we will see how it will execute. Okay, now run the program. So line number 28, there is an error. So custom write 0, custom write 0. Okay, 0, LED
Off.
LED off should be like that. CUSTOM E. Don't write E, okay? So this is custom. CUSTOM custom, right? Okay, this is the function now. CUSTOM. You can see custom, 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 custom. Okay, so this is LED off. Okay, now we can see. Run the program. Now run the program here. You can see start reading. You can see LED off. If you will press the Alt key, press push button here. Oh my God, what happened? So press the push button. See the LED is on. See here. Did you observe? LED is on. LED is on, and you will also get the message here. You can see here. Press Alt key and push button. Okay, push. You can see the LED is on. Did you observe? Okay, so now this is the thing. Now we will see here. So if the motion is detected, you can see press the Alt key. See the motion is detected, the camera is on. You can see the camera on. You can see the camera is on, and it will also display this message, camera on message. Now camera off. Okay.
Please like and subscribe to Heather Tech.